Have you ever wondered how we humans became the rulers of the world? How did we go from hunting animals in forests to flying rockets into space? If you are someone who's hungry for knowledge, curious about history, and serious about success, this book might just change the way you think about life. Today I'm reviewing a mind blowing book, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. And trust me, this book is not just a history book, it's a guide to understanding the world, society, and most importantly, your own mind. What is Sapiens about? Sapiens is not your typical boring history book, it's a powerful, eye opening journey that tells the story of how Homo sapiens, that's us, became the most dominant species on Earth. It starts from 70,000 years ago, when we were just another animal in the jungle, and takes us through our evolutions, revolutions, empires, religions, science, capitalism, and even artificial intelligence. You all know Harari breaks down history into four revolutions. First, the cognitive revolutions, when we started thinking, imagining, and communicating. Second, the agricultural revolution, when we started farming and building societies. Third, the unifications of humankind, when money, religion, and empires connected people. Fourth, the scientific revolutions, when we started unlocking the secrets of the universe. How it helps you succeed. Now you might ask, why should I read about ancient history when I want to succeed in the modern world? Here's the magic. Sapiens doesn't just tell you what happened, it tells you why it happened, how we think, how society is built, and how we are being shaped by systems we don't even realize. If you want to be a leader, entrepreneur, creator, or decision maker, this book will give you an edge. It will help you think critically, question assumptions, understand people, predict social trends, and most importantly, understand yourself. Harari says that humans rule the planet because of their ability to believe in shared myths like religion, money, and nations. These are not physical things, they only exist because we believe in them together. That idea alone can shift your entire worldview and give you tools to influence others, build brands, or create powerful stories. This book is full of powerful ideas. Let me share some of the most impactful ones that stay with me. First, the power of fictions. Harari says the thing that separates humans from animals is our ability to create and believe in stories. Companies, religions, nations, everything runs on stories. If you want to succeed in business or life, learn to tell better stories. Second, the trap of agriculture. We think farming was progress, but Harari challenges that. He says agriculture made life harder. More work, poor health, less freedom. We settle down, but at a cost. It shows that not all growth is good and success often hides hidden cost. Third, the money illusion. Money is the most powerful story ever created. It has no real value, but everyone trusts it. It teaches you how trust, perception, and belief can be more powerful than facts. Fourth, happiness doesn't grow with progress. We have advanced a lot, but are we happier? Harari says maybe not. Modern life gives us comfort but also stress, anxiety, and dissatisfaction. Oh, so success isn't about more money or fame, it's about what truly matters. Fifth, the future is uncertain. The book ends by talking about artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and the future of humans. Will we still be Homo sapien 100 years from now or something else entirely? It pushes you to ask what is the purpose of your journey and where are we really going. Why this book is unique. What makes Sapiens stand out is the way Harari writes. He is not just dumping facts, he is challenging beliefs. He combines science, psychology, history, and philosophy in a way that's simple, clear, and powerful. Every chapter feels like a punch of truth, and it will make you pause, think, and question everything. This is a rare book that appeals to students, entrepreneurs, leaders, artists, and anyone who is curious and hungry to grow. Personally, after reading Sapiens, my mindset changed. I began to see the world differently, not as something fixed, but something built. Systems, cultures, economies, they are all man made. That means we can change them. We can build better stories, we can choose a different path. And if you are someone who wants to succeed in life, business, or personal life, or personal growth, this book will help you understand the game we are all playing. Read this book if you feel stuck and want a new perspective. You love deep, meaningful books. You want to understand society, history, and human behavior. You want to create impact in your career or community. But honestly, I think every curious mind should read Sapiens at least once. To wrap it up, Sapiens is more than just a book. It's a mirror to human civilization, it's a toolbox for modern thinkers, and it's a wake up call to question the system we live in. If you are someone who wants to grow mentally, succeed wisely, and understand your place in the world, don't miss the book. You all know Harari has written something that will stay with you for life. So go ahead, pick it up, and start the journey. If you have already read Sapiens, let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. And if you are planning to read it, tell me what you are most excited to learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful book reviews and ideas that will sharpen your mind and inspire your growth. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.